Hey friends, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by to have a visit with LlamaMamaKayla today. I'm Kayla, and today I wanted to share with you my silicone Olivia Grace doll. Olivia Grace is an Ashton Drake baby doll. She is part silicone and part cloth. She has a cloth body, but she has silicone arms and legs and a silicone head. She's weighted and feels like a real baby in your arms. She has just enough weight to her that, she feels like a newborn, but not too much that she gets too heavy. But I crocheted her an outfit and wanted to share that with you guys today. Isn't she so cute? And I have to tell you that Olivia Grace is the one who started this madness. She was gifted to me by Bago de Crochet. It was a total surprise gift. That video you can find, I'll link below, of when I received her. It was total shock. I'm still in shock today. Like, it's unbelievable that she sent me this baby just out of the blue. And I appreciate that so much. And she is such an adorable baby. I just love her. I love holding her. But today I wanted to share with you this little crochet outfit that I made for Olivia Grace. And you can guess the dress is a Bago de Crochet pattern. Now, I did add a little touch of my own there in the middle and put that ruffle around the middle. I can't really decide if I like it or not, but I could take it out if I wanted, if I wanted to, but for now I'm going to leave it. The dress is actually her pattern for the 18-inch, like American Doll girl size, and I just adjusted it to fit a newborn baby. The bonnet she is wearing is a pattern by Jennifer at Cinnamon Stitches. And I added my own little touch to that to make it fit my needs for what I wanted. And the shoes, I'm not exactly sure who the pattern is by. It's a free pattern online, and I will link that below. I will link the pattern to the dress, the bonnet, and the shoes below. But I wanted to show you something kind of special about this bonnet. Look at there. Jennifer calls that a peekaboo bonnet, but I've also heard her call it a keyhole. So I'm not really sure. Maybe Jennifer can clear that up for me. But it's so cute. Now, Jennifer's bonnet had a star stitch where I have that little stitch where it skips a stitch. And when I was making this, I just wasn't feeling like doing star stitches. I wasn't feeling like learning anything new at the moment. I just wanted to crochet. And so I did a different stitch right there. You can see I just did a half double crochet in every other stitch and made that little design there. Jennifer, on her bonnet, did a star stitch on that row, and I wasn't up to learning a new stitch that day. I just wanted to crochet. And so I added this little ruffle on the bonnet. I think it turned out really cute. I appreciate that tutorial, Jennifer. It was easy to follow along. It was a fun bonnet, and I see lots more bonnets in my future. And then the dress, like I said, it's a Bago de Crochet pattern, and it is a video tutorial that I will link below. And I added a little flower set right there. And then for the bottom row of the dress, I just used the purple that I wanted to outline it with. And it also has a purple outline around the neck. I think the dress came out Very lovely. It looks great with that bonnet. And then the little shoes. It is a free pattern, a written pattern online that I will link below. There's no video, it's just a pattern, but it's easy to follow along. And Big Daddy sewed those buttons on for me since I have trouble holding a needle. And then I added the little flowers there, the little flower bouquet thing. I got those at Walmart and added that to the dress and to the shoes. And I think her shoes came out very, very cute. I did the newborn size, and they fit her perfect. Like, her toe is just right there. So there's Olivia Grace in her crocheted dress, bonnet, and baby shoes. So I hope you all have a fabulous day. I'm going to share a few pictures at the end of this video. And I will see you all again very soon. Thanks for watching.